Hey, Beverly.
Yes.
This is Sarah. How are you today?
I'd be a whole lot better if I wasn't getting these scam calls.
I totally get it. Those scam calls can be really annoying. But don't worry, I'm not here to scam you. I'm actually calling because it looks like you opted into one of our ads about looking for homes for sale recently. Can I talk to you about that?
Yes, but you're calling from New York and I'm in Kentucky.
Oh, sorry about that.
Right.
Our team is based in New York, but we work with clients all over the country, including Kentucky. So no worries, we can definitely assist you with your home search. Can I ask what area in Kentucky you're looking for?
Horse Cave, Kentucky.
Got it. Horse Cave, Kentucky. That's a great area. And do you have a time frame for when you'll want to purchase a home in Horse Cave?
Well, I'd like to purchase it as soon as possible, but the down payments is what's killing me. I'm on a fixed income. I don't make that much myself. Of course, it's for me and my family. There's 5 altogether.
I understand that the down payment can be a challenge, especially when you're on a fixed income. Don't worry, we can definitely help you explore different options and resources to make the process more manageable. Have you spoken with a lender yet?
No.
No problem at all. It's always a good idea to speak with a lender to understand your financing options. We work with a network of trusted lenders who specialize in assisting buyers in similar situations. Barry may be available right now. Can I see if he can call you back in a few minutes? Or what would be a good time for you to talk to Barry?
It'd probably be Monday.
Monday sounds good. I'll let Barry know that you'd like to speak with him then. Thank you so much for talking to me today. I really appreciate it. Have a great day, and I'm looking forward to working together.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. It was great talking to you. Have a wonderful day, and we'll be in touch soon. Take care.
You too.
All right. Take care. Bye.